Hello everyone, welcome to Paranormal and Spiritual World. Today we'll talk about a new tradition of ruining marriages through black magic. A lot of people are following this tradition, especially family members, against their own son when they are unhappy with the marriage alliance of their son. It can be any case, it can be the case of love marriage done against the will of parents. It can be an arranged marriage, but the expectations of in-laws is not fulfilled. Maybe the expectations of money or dowry or good wedding, or the kind of behavior of the daughter-in-law is not acceptable to the parents, to the father-in-law or mother-in-law, or even husband. So they create a conspiracy where they do every possible thing to ruin that marriage. Among all this, the one of the most thing common you can say method which they really apply for is black magic. A lot of people who even act as most urbanized, most educated are into this thing to ruin the marriage of their own son if they are not happy with the daughter-in-law, in case they are not happy with the whole concept of that marriage. What they do is, they from this day one, it can be seen that will be a change in their temperament, in their behavior. They will be visiting different tantrics, different people who do black magic. They will be saying things that our son is into the possession of that daughter-in-law. She has done some kind of hypnotism on him, some kind of vashikaran on him, that he's not in our hands anymore, he's not listening to us, he's getting away from us, or she's taking our son away. So we need to do something to make him stay. We cannot live without our son. If you are so much obsessed for your son, then doing marriage, get putting him into a marriage alliance is a wrong idea. You should keep him with yourself, and instead of marrying him with any girl. But each and every person has different mindset related to it. They want money, they want dowry, and they want the daughter-in-law to act as a servant, to act as a obeying slave, who is dumb, who is deaf, who does not have any ideology, does not have any own thinking, and who is not even allowed to say any word. In case you do any harassment or bullying or any kind of manhandling or domestic violence, still the woman needs to keep quiet. That is the most disgusting ideology lot of parents carry regarding their own daughter-in-law. So when they are not able to ruin that wedding, they are not able to break that relationship, they try the most disgusting way of doing that through black magic. Through black magic, they either use different things to put in their food, or they try to create a possession of any ghost or spirit or demon or even jinn on the daughter-in-law, so that either to make her consider mad or insane when she will be showing different personality issues, or try to hamper her womb by black magic so that she is not able to conceive anymore, or create differences between husband and wife by creating misunderstandings, or by creating any kind of you can say circumstances where both of them will fight unnecessarily without any issue, without any reason they will be fighting. So the whole conclusion they will be coming at to, in order to give suggestion to their son, is to take divorce or to leave her in any bad circumstances. In some cases, these black magics work very well. They work against the daughter-in-law, and even sometimes the son is also a culprit, who has used the woman, who has used the whole money which he got in the dowry, and now he no longer does need that woman anymore. So what they do is, they try to create this conspiracy to get rid of her, and through black magic they try to defame her. They try to label her as insane or mad person, in order to get this excuse of laying off her by saying that she was mad or she was in depression, or creating a kind of environment for her so that she commits suicide, or she will go into a kind of state of isolation or kind of state of depression. So all these things are done by parents only. Sometimes even the parents go to such a bad extent, they even also use their excretion in the food in order to possess, in order to have the control over their own son or over the daughter-in-law. So there are various very bad black magics over there suggested by tantrics to such people in order to fetch money, and they also get engaged in such things in order to get rid of that daughter-in-law, or in order to cut out the whole connection with that woman, or to ruin the marriage, to destroy the marriage of their own son. So this is one of the most disgusting trend which has been started, and I get a lot of cases regarding the same issues a lot of people are facing, where either the mother-in-law is doing some black magic, or the husband is doing some black magic, or the whole family is trying to control the woman or doing black magic on her, and the only thing which is motivating them is greed, money, lust, jealousy, revengeful attitude. So they are not, although they are not should be considered as humans because they are going to such an extent, but each and every person should be careful enough, and because any woman, any girl can face such things. So do not trust blindly to your new family. Always be spectacle about it, always be alert when they are giving you something to eat, when if they are not eating that, or they are doing any kind of ritual which is not you can say which you have not heard of, or which looks odd to you. So always be careful. There are a lot of people out there who are cruel enough that they can hamper you, they can harm you in the most brutal way through the black magics. So I really request everyone to stop this trend. Stop going to tantrics to do the black magic on your own family, to destroy them or to control them. In this way you will destroy your own family. In many cases, many parents have given up with their own son by doing the black magics on their own son or on their own daughter-in-law. They have faced tremendous bad consequences of that. So don't think that it's all these things are joke. These things are more serious than any actual calamity. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I've already made this video in Hindi language and I've uploaded the same. I will give you the link below so you can browse from there. Thank you so much. In case you are suffering from any black magic, you can contact on my website for consultancy or for Dhuni to remove the black magic. Thank you so much.